Hi, this is Pallavi Goyal reporting live from the AI Vision Conclave 2024. I'm joined by Ms. Prashasti Rastogi, Senior Director, Coursera India. Prashasti, thank you so much for joining us today. How has been your experience at the summit?
I think the idea of having a conclave with the vision of AI at center is the need of the hour. We heard the minister talk about how AI is relevant to every citizen of the country, and especially the initiatives that UP government is taking in this direction. So I think I'm very happy to be part of these conversations.
Thank you. Prashasti, talk to us about what is happening in the skilling landscape with so much of work happening around AI and use of new technologies. There's a persistent need for more skilled individuals, and companies like Coursera come to the center of it. And if you can also highlight your partnership with the UP government, with the state, how are you working closely with them?
So AI is actually the fabric of the society these days. There's a famous saying by Professor Lakhani from Harvard, and he said that AI will not replace humans, but AI will replace humans who do not use AI. So AI is into our system every day, which also puts us in the spotlight because nothing is uphill if we upskill, right? I'll give you a fun fact. Indians have a hunger for generative AI. On the Coursera platform currently, every minute, 4 Indians are enrolling on a Gen AI program. Such is the hunger. Obviously, on the other side of the spectrum, when we talk about corporates and businesses, there's about 40% disruption in the way the jobs will be done by 2025, which is actually staring at us now, which means all the employees or all the workforce needs to be upskilled on AI as well. In the state of UP, AI policy is being drafted where 3 pillars are being included. One is governance, second is citizenship, and the third is obviously talent. I think it's imperative that the Uttar Pradesh AI policy focuses on skilling landscape quite prominently because the vision of being a $1 trillion knowledge economy, which is also levered by the IT sector in the state, will require that kind of talent. So, taking skilling to colleges, institutions, polytechnics, schools to make sure that the 240 million population that the state of Uttar Pradesh has not only literacy in AI but also mastery in AI, so that the entrepreneurial ecosystem, the industrial ecosystem, the startup ecosystem in the state can be fueled to not only solving business problems but also solving the ground level problems of the state. And this is where we have had some pleasant conversations with the government representatives today. We're also doing a small program for skilling the Department of IT officers in the field of AI, and look forward to contributing in the skilling ecosystem of UP in a bigger way in the future.
I think this is going to be super exciting and looking forward to many more conversations with you as we progress on this goal. Thank you so much, Prashasti, for joining us today.
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Stay tuned at ET Government for more such insights.